Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my June Mani by Me box, but it was so funny when I went to get it out of the mailbox, I was like, why is it so heavy? Like, it was really heavy, and I'm like, wait a minute, you know, it shouldn't be that heavy because it's just got the 2 polishes and the the 2 stamping plates and then like the little free gift. So I went ahead and opened it because I wanted to know, like, why was it so heavy? And then I remembered, yes, look at all these plates, you guys. So I got like a notification, you know, from the app, and it said that the Mani by Me plates were 60% off. So this was from like they went way back to like, oh my gosh, I think like 2019. Or 2018, like something like that. When I was scrolling through, I was like, oh my gosh. So I went through and looked at the old plates. Now I don't know if it was only for the Mani by Me, the people have the subscription. I'm thinking it is, because that's the only way that you can get the older plates. But yeah, I just had to get them. Like, I went on there real quick because I thought, what if they sell out? So yeah, I got a bunch of plates. But I want to show the Mani by Me box first. I want to use this in my next set. So this is why I'm like, I want to get this open. So we have, this says Snailed It. How cute is that? But yes, this is like 90s theme, you guys. I posted this on my community tab. I posted it on my community tab so that if you wanted to get the box, this was a perfect month to get it, because this is freaking amazing. Get ready to glow up 90s style. So this month's Mani by Me box, bringing back the bold airbrush vibes of the ultimate throwback era. Neon pops of classic 90s airbrush, retro glow collection. So yes, the 2 plates, the 2 polishes, beeper buzz, a highlighter bright neon yellow, and then VHS violet B552, a rich bright purple cream. And then we have this month's bonus gift is a neon yellow pigment powder. Ooh, yes. So freaking exciting, you guys. I'm just so happy for this. I have been waiting for my box, and it just came today, which is Monday. I want to look at the free gift. Oh, this is gorgeous. So we get the little applicator, but this is just a very bright, I'm not going to open it, but yes, a very neon yellow. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. So let's look at the plates. I'm so excited. I want to go in order. This is MXM 153. This is like airbrush. Oh my gosh, I just love it. This is so cool. Yes. The 90s airbrushing. I love it. The flowers, the stars, the butterflies. Yes. And then this is MXM 154. Oh, this is super cool. I love it. So remember back in the day, I have so many photos when me and my friends would go get our pictures taken where they had the airbrushed background. You got to pick colors, designs. This reminds me of the ones with like the little stars, hearts, all that. And well, out here in California they were called photo makers, and you'd get your pictures taken, you know, the background, and then they'd be done in like a half an hour and you'd get your pictures. Okay, oh, these are so pretty. Yes, perfect. We get this yellow that's so gorgeous, beeper buzz. That is a nice yellow. I really like that yellow. I don't have a yellow like this. Oh, this is so pretty. And then VHS violet, this beautiful purple. Oh, I just love it. Look at this purple, how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I want to go through and show the plates that I got. Okay, I don't know if I should, let me see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the list here, so I'm wondering if they're in order. This is 047. Yes, this is from January of 2021. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the little angels. Oh my gosh. And then it's got like little, this is called Devils and Angels. This is 047, the roses. I just thought this one, and I love the letters. Oh, this one is awesome. I love it. And then this is also the devils and angels. I just love this plate. Oh my gosh, look at. How come it looks like it's kind of blurry? I hope it's not. Like the rose thorns there. Oh, I just love it. I love the heart with the little angel wings and the halo. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, 054. This is from April of 2021. And this is MXM054. I believe, yeah, I started getting the box in March of 2023. That was the Alice in Wonderland box. But this is fairies. Look at, you can put different wings. And then it's just got the mushrooms and oh my gosh, I love it. And then this is Wild West. I just thought I could have used this on my, well, I didn't end up doing this set. We went to Mexico and it was a cowboy themed birthday party. But at least I have it for if I ever need to do like Western or, you know, cowboy nails. And then this is also from, this is August of 2021, Wild West. This was the other plate. I love this scene. Look at that. Different little backgrounds. You can put like a cactus, the horse. Oh, I just love it. It says y'all, howdy, yeehaw. Oh, I just love it. I don't have a lot of Western things, even like stickers and stuff. This is Autumn Memories. This is from October of 2021. It's fall. It's a fall festival. Grateful, blessing days. Hello, autumn. I love it. This I got it too because of the scarecrow. You can build your own scarecrow. Oh, I love it. Look at that. I love fall. That's my favorite season. And then this is also Autumn Memories. 066. Just says fall, welcome, blessings, pumpkin pie. Just got all the fall vibes there. Oh, I love it. This one is from the pool party, May of 2022. And it's got, oh, I think that's just the paper that got a little bubble. It's just got fruit, an umbrella, beach balls. And then this is also from the pool party. I love it. I loved it. It has all the, like the man, the woman. It's got different floats, dive in, babe watch, soak in the sun, wish you were here, summer state of mind. Oh, I love it. Relax and enjoy. And then these are the last two here. This is from Fun Fair, December of 2022. That's so cute. I want to do like carnival little set. It's got the balloons, more balloons, stars, clouds, the carousel. Oh, I just love it. Fun Fair. And then this is the second one from that box. Look at the clowns. It's got like the little games that you play, little ribbon. Oh, I just love it. So cute. Ice cream, churros. I love it. All right. So yes, you know, I always love to swatch my polishes. I can't wait to try out the airbrush, you know, plates here. So yes, I'm going to get just a few things ready and I will be right back. All right, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the top. I want to do this design here. I absolutely love it. Now I didn't put a sticky base. Last time they stuck fine, so let's see. Yeah, see some of it. Doesn't want to stick. Yeah, see, sometimes you need the sticky base. But you can still see what it looks like. Yeah, sometimes you gotta put a sticky base. Yeah, see, they didn't want to stick. Put the sticky base. I hope it's not too wet still. that's what it looks like there. It's a cute yellow. I like it. So I am going to do the purple one. Oops. Yeah, that was way too much. That is so cute. I love it. Yeah, that purple is beautiful. Okay, so like I said, I am going to be doing a set with these, but it's not going to be in this video because I have some polishes that I'm doing a PR for, and I just thought the colors I have, and then with these plates, and then, you know, the polishes too, that it would work, you know, good for what I have in mind. So so yes, this is the end of this video. I just wanted to share with you this box. I love it. I cannot wait to actually use it. So look out for the video. It'll be the next video after this one. So yes, I hope you enjoyed. Check out the Mani by Me box. It's absolutely amazing. It's $30 a month, and you get 2 plates, 2 polishes. The plates won't be available to the public, only to the subscribers of the box. The polishes will be out a couple weeks after the box comes out. With your first box, you do get the stamper and scraper, but after that you just get, sorry my dog, you just get the plates and the polishes. So yes, please check them out. I'm going to leave everything linked down below. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.